Hello everyone, this is Anamika and today we are going to learn the basic shapes for mandala. For this we need a graph paper and a black fine liner marker pen. So this is the first basic shape that we need to practice. These shapes are called as petals. Let's move to the next one. These basic shapes are called long petals. We can draw it using two boxes as the length. Now two boxes as the width as well to make the big petals. Next one is the petals with a pointed tip. These are pointed petals. This one is big pointed petals. We will draw it using four boxes. These are called as petal design. We will make it using three small drop-like petals. For the next one, these are dot petals. Let's move on to the next one. This is line with dots. Circle with dots. This one is triangles with dots. Double triangle. We will make the big triangle using four boxes. Now inside this big triangle, let's draw a smaller triangle. Bold triangle. First draw the big triangle. Now to make the triangle bold, draw a second line parallel to one of its sides, then fill the gap between these two lines. Leaf triangles. These are called as leaves. Border leaves. These were some of the basic shapes that you can use to make different unique patterns in your mandala. I hope you all are enjoyed. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.